What if your words had the extraordinary power to forge an almost magical connection with any woman you encounter? It may seem too fantastic to be true, but the truth is, the right words, delivered at just the right moment, can evoke profound emotions, spark genuine curiosity, and create a sense of attraction in a way that feels entirely effortless. Today, I am thrilled to share with you 6 secret phrases that can accomplish this remarkable feat. These are not mere lines to recite. They are powerful tools designed to help you stand out, escape the friend zone, and cultivate a compelling connection with women. And trust me, the final phrase I'll reveal is a true game-changer one that many men often hesitate to use. So, be sure to stay tuned until the end. You definitely won't want to miss it. Phrase 1. You possess a unique quality that I genuinely admire. Let's begin our exploration with a statement that is both subtle and incredibly impactful. This phrase works like magic because it transcends the typical compliment. It introduces an element of intrigue. When you say to a woman, "You possess a unique quality that I genuinely admire," her mind instantly ignites with questions. What does he mean by that? What makes me special? This surge of curiosity is what draws her in closer. Instead of merely complimenting her appearance or attire, you are highlighting something deeper, something that makes her feel truly acknowledged. Whether it's the way her eyes light up when discussing her passions, or the confidence that radiates from her voice when she expresses an opinion. Pointing out these details illustrates that you are genuinely attentive to her, beyond surface-level attributes. A helpful tip: deliver this phrase with a warm smile and maintain steady eye contact. The energy and sincerity behind your words are just as significant as the words themselves. Try incorporating this the next time you engage in conversation with a woman and observe how her reaction transforms. Phrase 2. I have great admiration for women who know what they want. This phrase serves as a remarkable game changer. It is more than just a compliment. It also presents a subtle challenge. Many men spend their time seeking approval or showering women with generic praises. However, when you assert, "I have great admiration for women who know what they want," you are establishing a higher standard. You communicate that you value confidence, clarity, and independence. This simple shift in dynamic can prompt her to strive to prove that she embodies those qualities. Women are inherently drawn to men who maintain standards. It demonstrates confidence, maturity, and self-respect, qualities that are incredibly attractive. So, when the opportunity arises during your conversation, seamlessly weave this phrase into your dialogue and watch the energy between you begin to shift. Phrase 3. What I appreciate most about you is. This phrase elevates compliments to a completely new level of intimacy. Instead of resorting to a vague statement like, "You're beautiful," you are pinpointing something specific and authentic that stands out to you. For instance, you might say, "What I appreciate most about you is how inspiring your passion is." Or, "There's an energy about you that's simply magnetic." This approach makes her feel truly valued for more than just her looks. Everyone longs to be recognized for their unique traits. Use this phrase at the moment you genuinely notice something remarkable about her, whether it's her infectious laughter or her poised demeanor. By highlighting these little details, you demonstrate that you are genuinely observant, and that is something she will remember fondly. Phrase 4. I don't think you're quite ready for me yet. Now, let's delve into a phrase that introduces an element of playful intrigue. This statement cleverly taps into 2 psychological triggers: the fear of loss and the allure of scarcity. When you say, "I don't think you're quite ready for me yet," it immediately ignites her curiosity. She will wonder, what does he mean? Why wouldn't I be ready for him? This playful tease allows you to flip the script. Keep the tone light and playful. Deliver it with a confident smile, almost as if you're playfully challenging her. The aim is not to push her away, but to create an engaging and fun challenge that draws her in. For instance, if she playfully boasts about a quality she possesses, you might respond with, "That's interesting, but I don't think you're quite ready for me yet." The more she contemplates your words, the more she'll feel compelled to engage and prove she's up to the challenge. Phrase 5. I'm not sure you can handle me. This phrase embodies a sense of playful confidence. It serves as a lighthearted way to challenge her while keeping the conversation dynamic and engaging. When you state, "I'm not sure you can handle me," it instantly sparks curiosity. She will ponder, "What makes him so special? Why wouldn't I be able to handle him?" Just like that, you've established a fun and engaging dynamic. Use this phrase in a playful tone, especially in response to her teasing or boasting about herself. This approach allows you to showcase your confidence without coming off as arrogant, and it keeps her intrigued and guessing, making the interaction even more exciting. Phrase 6. I'm not that easy to win over. This phrase is the ultimate power play. While many men aim to appear constantly available and eager to please, saying, "I'm not that easy to win over," completely alters the dynamics. It conveys that you hold yourself in high regard and are not easily swayed. Use this phrase with a confident smile and a playful tone. For instance, if she playfully tests you, respond with that line. It positions you as a challenge, and challenges are something women often find irresistible. If she asks what it takes to impress you, simply smile and say, "Maybe I'll share that with you someday." This adds an air of mystery and keeps her curious about what you might reveal. These 6 phrases are more than just words strung together. They are powerful tools that can help you forge deeper, more meaningful connections with women. They are specifically crafted to make you stand out, exude confidence, and keep her intrigued. However, remember that it's not solely about what you say, but also about how you say it. Use these phrases naturally, with a sense of confidence and a playful tone, and watch as the dynamics shift favorably in your direction. If you found this information valuable, make sure to subscribe for more insights like these. And don't forget to stick around. My next video will take an even deeper dive into the art of attraction. Looking forward to seeing you there.